Welcome to English is Easy with RB and you're watching Word of the Day. Today's word of the day is albeit. Albeit. The stress is on the second syllable. It means even though, although. For example, the discussion was argumentative, albeit a little too noisy for my liking. If you watch Indian news channels, you would know what I'm talking about. Then, she tried, albeit without success. She tried, albeit without success. Then, she was doing it, albeit rather slowly. She was doing it, albeit rather slowly. Lastly, it was an enjoyable, albeit expensive vacation. It was an enjoyable, albeit expensive vacation. Alright, I hope you got to learn something new. If you liked this video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed to it. Until next time, this is RB signing off.